Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In the previous lessons, we read about movements, means fatha, kasra, and dhamma. And we read that when these three movements, fatha, kasra, and dhamma, come on any letter, so how we have to pronounce that letter and what will be the sound of that letter. And we also read that fatha always comes on the top of the letter, and kasra, it comes always below the letter, and dhamma, it is a comma shape that comes always at the top of the letter. And now in this lesson, we are going to read about the tanween or the noon tanween. Tanween or noon tanween is double fatha, double kasra, and double dhamma. Double fatha, double kasra, and double dhamma. These three signs are called tanween or noon tanween. And why we call them noon tanween? Because when we read double fatha, double kasra, and double dhamma, so the sound of noon will come at the end. Like the first letter we have meme. When double fatha comes on this letter, so we have to read it like meme double fatha man. So look, we are making the sound of noon at the end. So that's why these three signs, double fatha, double kasra, and double dhamma, are called tanween or noon tanween, because we are making the sound of noon at the end of letter. And also, while reading tanween or noon tanween, you have to make nasal sound. Means you have to read the sound through your nose, like meme double fatha man. So look, at the end we are making the sound from our nose. So this is called gunna or the nasal sound. And another thing, when a letter having double fatha, so there will be alif with that letter, but we don't have to read that alif. And in some letters there will be a ya with double fatha, but we have to read just the first letter, not the alif or ya. Like you can see here in this one, there is alif with meme, but we just have to read the meme, not the alif. And here there is a ya with the zal, but we just have to read the zal, not the ya. Okay, so now we are starting this. So first of all, ta'awuz and tasmiyah, I'm reading, so read with me. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Okay, so in this lesson, the first letter we have is meme. And first of all, meme has double fatha. So as we were reading in harakat, in the simple fatha, kasra, and dhamma, first we were reading the letter, then the sign, and then the sound. So the same process will apply here also. First we have to read the letter, then the tanween, double fatha, double kasra, or double dhamma, and then at the end the sound. So first letter we have here is meme, and it has double fatha, so we have to read it like meme double fatha man. Meme double fatha man. Meme double fatha man. Then meme has double kasra, so meme double kasra min. Meme double kasra min. Then meme has double dhamma, meme double dhamma mun. Meme double dhamma mun. The sounds will be man, min, mun. The next letter is ba, and ba has double fatha. First of all, ba double fatha ban. Ba double fatha ban. Then ba has double kasra, ba double kasra bin. Ba double kasra bin. And then ba has double dhamma, ba double dhamma bun. Ba double dhamma bun. Sounds will be ban, bin, bun. And you can also read, instead of double fatha, two fatha, two kasra, and two dhamma. Okay, what is easy for you? If you are more comfortable than two fatha, two kasra, and two dhamma, so then you can read it like this. And if you are comfortable with double fatha, double kasra, and double dhamma, so you can say that. Okay, the next letter we have is double fatha. The letter is waw and the signs are double fatha. So waw double fatha, one. Waw double fatha, one. Then waw has double kasra, waw double kasra, win. Waw double kasra, win. And then waw has double dhamma, waw double dhamma, wun. Waw double dhamma, wun. The sounds will be one because of double fatha, win because it has double kasra, wun because of double dhamma. The next letter we have is fa, and the sign is double fatha. So fa double fatha, fun. Fa double fatha, fun. Then fa double kasra, fin. Fa double kasra, fin. And then at the end, fa has double dhamma, fa double dhamma, fun. Fa double dhamma, fun. The sounds will be fun, fin, fun. Then the next letter is sa, and it has double fatha first of all. So sa double fatha, sun. Sa double fatha, sun. Then sa has double kasra here. Sa double kasra, sin. Sa double kasra, sin. Then sa has double dhamma. Sa double dhamma, sun. Sa double dhamma, sun. Sounds will be sun, sin, sun. Then the next letter, it has double fatha on top. So it will be zal double fatha, zan. Zal double fatha, zan. Then zal has double kasra here. Zal double kasra, zin. Zal double kasra, zin. Then zal has double dhamma. Zal double dhamma, zun. Zal double dhamma, zun. The sounds will be zan, zin, zun. The next letter is zwa, and it has double fatha first of all. So zwa double fatha, zwan. Zwa double fatha, zwan. Then zwa has double kasra here. Zwa double kasra, zwin. Zwa double kasra, zwin. Then zwa has double dhamma. Zwa double dhamma, zun. Zwa double dhamma, zun. Sounds will be zwan, win, zun. The next letter is za, and it has double fatha first of all. Za double fatha, zan. Za double fatha, zan. Then za has double kasra here. So it will be za double kasra, zin. Za double kasra, zin. Then za has double dhamma here. Za double dhamma, zun. Za double dhamma, zun. The sounds will be zan, zin, zun. Okay, so we are reading the sounds again, just the sounds. So read with me. Man, min, mun, ban, bin, bun, van, vin, vun, fan, fin, fun, than, thin, thun, than, thin, dhun, dhwan, dhin, dhun, zan, zin, zun. So in this lesson, we read about tanween or noon tanween, that double fatha, double kasra and double dhamma are called tanween or noon tanween, and we call this noon tanween because we are making the sound of noon at the end. And also we read that while reading tanween we have to make a nasal sound at the end, and nasal sound means we have to pronounce it through our nose. Okay, like man. So at the end we are pronouncing the sound while reading the letter from our nose. So this is called nasal sound or gunna. In Arabic we say gunna, and in English we say nasal sound. So you have to practice these letters with tanween, double fatha, double kasra and double dhamma, and you can also read it 2 fatha, 2 kasra and 2 dhamma. So you have to practice this. Inshallah, in the next lesson we will read some more letters with tanween.